corner. Here we go. They all go for the toolbox, but end up pairing up with somebody. Uh-oh,
Jackie Anderson, the first round.
He wants, Carson. Oh, they're fighting over who's going to get in the toolbox. My goodness.
This is going to be a great one right here.
Leroy McCoy reaches in. What has he got? We got Jackie in there with a belt off of something. Leroy McCoy got, is that a saw or something? I can't tell what that is.
I think it's a saw.
Is it a saw? And Carson
with a big chain.
Steve Niles hammering the good old boy.
This isn't your average toolbox right here.
No. An extremely big one with a lot of stuff in it, as Jackie Anderson would say. Steve Niles working over the good old boy. Got him in a half crab, good old boy. Is that a chain laying in it? Who in the world keeps a chain in her toolbox?
The AIWF keeps a chain in the toolbox.
My goodness.
We got some kind of strap.
John Carson's got a pair. Oh no.
Carson's got the pliers.
Yeah, no. Washing pliers. Oh, he's on top. Oh, he's got him on the good old boy's ear.
And we got Major Havoc coming out.
Major Havoc's coming out. This is kind of match.
He's got a chair.
Yeah, he does. He's got a chair.
Major Havoc, a man that has no reason to be out here.
Oh. Just clears out the TVA.
They're coming back.
Havoc and Romaine to it right in front of us. Yeehaw, break them down. We got a good one going on the inside and a good one going on the
outside. With a tire iron.
Oh no, Jackie Anderson after the good old boy now, who is down in the ring, and they are whipping Major Havoc. Oh.
Carson toting the tire iron around with him.
Jackie Anderson digging that saw into the good old boy's head.
Now Carson going back.
No, it's not. That's a
drill.
He's got a drill.
He's got a drill.
And the good old boy's got. If he could only plug that thing in.
We got Major Havoc dragging the chair around.
Yeah, I don't know where Major Havoc's going. Looking around for some plunder, I guess. Don't worry, you'll know him. Look, he's just walking around right there, behind the fans. Taking his time. And the people in Reidsville not really familiar with the lunacy of Major Havoc. Uh-oh, he's in the ring. Watch out, Bill Holiday.
That's the wrong man to have around the toolbox.
Major Havoc, he said he's in this match.
He wants in this match. We got a 5-way toolbox brawl.
Yeah. Let him go, Bill. The good old boy is down and out of this one. And
my God. Major Havoc. I don't know what he's... Carson working the good old boy with a drill.
Yeah, the good old boy is not able to get up. Oh, flies on the nose.
Not a pretty sight.
No, not at all.
Carson's got the toolbox. I think he just killed Steve Niles.
Yeah. Major Havoc. No, the good old boy.
Jackie Anderson busted open.
Everybody's busted open, Martha.
I believe so.
Well, you know, it's a match like this.
going crazy.
Oh, Jackie nailing the good old boy.
Tell you what, the good old boy.
Look at this. Once again, we apologize for any fans.
I'll tell you what, the good old boy spent about 80% of this match on the mat. The other 20, of course, being the entrance to the ring.
He has not been on his feet since the first time he went.
Carson with a pair of jumper cables.
Oh, dear God.
Robert Roma having a good time.
They're getting some kind of sick thrill off all this.
Steve Niles in all kinds of trouble.
Jackie Anderson nails a good old boy again.
Roma's strolling around on the outside with a chain in his hand.
Yeah. Chains is just there. That's a problem enough.
Havoc with another chair.
Yeah, and he's not even in this match officially. Uh-oh. Jackie skipped over the good old boy. And Havoc gets the jab.
Very gracefully.
Out of the ring goes Anderson, waiting to change. Uh-oh. Roma has got that anchor chain or something. That's a big chain. And he just clocked the
Steve Niles just went to the toolbox.
Yes, he did. Good old boy's going to get mad. Oh, right on his leg. Right on that bad wheel.
Steve Niles. Oh my God.
My goodness, Robert, you are sick. Oh, look at this. Havoc and Carson double teaming the good old boy. And Roma, they'll go back in with a toolbox. Now there's a lot of dangerous stuff on there. Oh, the good old boy is getting squashed, Dr. Payton.
Everybody is circling the good old boy.
Oh, man. Screams of terror and pain and misery coming out of the ring.
What more did you expect in the toolbox brawl?
Oh, my God. This is a hellish match, fans.
Oh, no. He took them both down with that one.
They are trying to break Leroy McCoy's leg. What a short-lived return to the AIWF, Dr. Payton. The good old boy is being mauled. Oh, my God. This is going to about finish him. Well, I don't know. He's got a lot of padding there.
Jackie Anderson laid out, but the figure four is still on.
Oh. Oh, my God.
I tell you what, the toolbox is looking about as bad as these wrestlers right now.
I don't know what to say. Out goes, oh, no. And the good old boy, oh, man, Steve Niles bit to dust, but the good old boy is left all alone with, oh, no. Oh, no.
Well, this is going to do one of two things, break the toolbox or break the good old boy's leg. And the toolbox still stands.
Oh, dear God. Roma, oh my God, they're helping Havoc out.
Oh.
No, they're not. Over here, I'm sorry, fans, this is hard to call.
Where's the good old boy at?
he's out of the ring. Sweet Daddy got him out of there. The good old boy just is leaving this match. They have destroyed that man's knee. Steve Niles got a